Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to read comments on X post. So let me open X on my device, and I want to go to whatever post that I want to read comments on, and I want to open its details by simply tapping here at the top at the empty space. And please make sure that you do not tap on the image because it will simply open the photo, and you want to tap here at the top, and if you scroll down you will see all the comments that this post has. And also you can filter those comments by tapping here and sorting them by latest, relevant, or likes. Yes, and also if you want to read your comments on X, then you have to go to your profile picture at the top left and navigate to your account, and here you can see several tabs such as posts, replies, highlights, videos, etc. You want to enter replies tab, and here you will see all of your comments and replies on X. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.